the boys and the girls. One is from Mars and other is from Venus, and both of them always collide. Okay, all that was the general talk. Boys like to say they are superior, girls say they are superior. In our society generally there is so much of craving for sons and for the boys. And you know, in many of the remote areas, many women are abandoned if they are not able to produce a son. They are blamed. We also see some of those TV serials in which this issue is being talked of. What is it? Na ana mere desh lato. What is this all talk about save the female child and all that? Before we reach that, we must understand how is the sex determined. You know, in a cell there is a nucleus, and in the nucleus there is a thread-like structure called chromosomes. How many chromosomes are there in human beings? 23 pairs. The number of chromosome is always expressed in pairs. So there are 23 pairs in human beings. Out of these, 22 are autosomes. Autosomes means they are the chromosomes which are concerned with other bodily features like say height, complexion, color of the eyes, color of the hair and so on. And one pair is there which is called sex chromosome, and which is for determining the sex of the child or the sexual features of the child. Okay. Now what we find is, in the case of females, the sex chromosomes, both the sex chromosomes are similar. They have same size, same structure, and that is labeled as XX chromosome. However, in the case of male, one chromosome is exactly like that of female, but the other one is slightly smaller and is of different shape. So obviously we cannot call it X chromosome. This will be the Y chromosome. So the male has X and Y, while the female has XX chromosome. As a result, the ova that are formed in the case of female are all X. You see, the ova and the sperms have half number of chromosomes. This division, special division which produces half number of chromosome is called meiosis. So meiosis takes place for the production of ova and sperms, and as a result we have all ova which have same type of sex chromosome, which means X. But in the case of male, because there are two type of chromosomes, some sperms have X chromosome while others have Y chromosome. So when a sperm with X chromosome combines with an ova, what we get is XX zygote, which obviously means a female. But what if Y sperm combines with an ova? Then what we get is XY, and which is male. So if at all, who contributes in producing a male? The man himself. And who is blamed in our society? The female. Actually, if you go deeply, you will find even the father or the men are not really responsible for determining the sex, because they cannot control which sperm is actually going to unite with the ova. A large number of sperms are produced which race towards the ova, and so it is not possible to determine or to control which sperm will combine. So determination of sex is yet not under human control. So nobody should be blamed. And in any case, whether it is controlled by male or female, when male and female both may be different but have different kind of strengths and potential, where is the question of bothering to blame anybody? It is totally a myth that a woman is weaker than a man and that a woman is responsible for producing another woman.